PPC's role could be set in a few words, those would be the one of the end user, or a demonstrator and a validator of the technological approach that intelWATT proposes, especially in the case study number 1, which is our project in this case. So let's say that serving this approach, PPC obviously brings to the project one of the most modern and power plant facility in Greece, the Megalopolis 5 combined cycle gas turbine unit. And we bring this facility as a test bed for the intelWATT project case study number 1. But more than this, we can offer valuable data regarding the water's properties, physicochemical properties and characteristics, and generally from all the water cycle processes that take place to the plant, from raw water to the cooling tower blown down water, which is the water that is treated by the pilot unit of intelWATT project, and also from the makeup water, the water that fills the water in the cooling tower when this is discharged. We also assist with the know-how and the experience of our staff in Megalopolis plant, which is mostly engineers. Along with the water data that we provide, this experience is crucial to the research team of the intelWATT to help them understand what are the plant processes and better design the pilot unit for serving our project's objectives, but also to serve and at the same time respect the safety and the environmental permits conditions of the facility that they exist. And finally, our technical staff will offer monitoring and evaluation of all the pilot unit operation when this starts, eventually we hope in September, in terms of not only water productivity and water preservation, which is the main objectives of our project in intelWATT, but also in terms of operational stability, reliability, and things that counts most in industry. We will offer in terms of maintenance needs, warnings, possible failure investigations, safety operational hiccups, evaluate everything that may derive during this operation, and provide valuable feedback to the research team. Well, I think by the end, I'm not sure, but surely after the project, the easy answer is obviously that if our pilot case objectives are fully achieved within the project as they have been set in this proposal, this will be a major achievement for our scope and our effort in the project. Okay, but more than this, I think this achievement I want to say that this achievement of the project objectives within the intelWATT scope is obtained with all the operational criteria satisfied, and we will know that there is a way, if it is obtained with all the operational criteria that we will set, then we will know that there is a way, and maybe not the most optimal one, that there is a way to minimize our pressure to one of the most important resources in Megalopolis areas, which is the underground water, and also to have an alternative for the operation and maintenance of the conventional wastewater treatment plant that we have now. So in few words, that we hope that there will be another way to explore and further explore and see as an industry now, if we can further pursue in the future after the project. Okay. And this is important because all this water derives that comes and used to the plant processes is derived from the underground water, which is a very valuable source to the whole area for agricultural resources and other activities there. So Furthermore, I should note that beyond these achievements, we truly hope to obtain as an organization, after the end of the project, something which cannot be measured in numbers or KPIs. Is something that is the approach that we can have to research and to innovation as an organization, and to new technologies and to synergies with universities, with research organizations around Europe. And this approach, I can say that is materialized through the establishment and operation of a newly research coordination department, which is dedicated to enhance the PPC's research activities and cooperation with other institutes, as I said. And such a department did not exist before intelWATT kickoff. So intelWATT also contributed to have this other approach to research and to innovation. And this is also something that is fair to say that is obtained through our involvement in this project.